All right, you guys know well that I love my iPod. I love using my iPod all the time in my car or just listening to it here in the house through one of my iHome speakers or decks or stuff like that. So I was actually super happy today when I was at Goodwill and I found this. This is the iHome to go cycler, the safe and sound speaker system for your iPod. And I guess it's designed for people that have bikes, as they show it here. And it's supposed to be something that clips onto the bike, as shown right here. But I just thought it was kind of cool to have it to where my iPod would be protected when I do have it on the go. Sometimes I like to go to the lake and stuff like that, and knowing that I have my iPod protected in whatever this type of casing thing is really cool. So I had to pick it up, and I mean it was only $7.99. So I checked on eBay and stuff, and of course on eBay it comes up to around $90 or so for one still in the box, as this one is. Obviously there's some yellowing on this plastic, which is to be expected, but I think it's incredible that this thing is still in the box. I kind of feel bad that I'm going to open it, but you know, things are meant to be open. They're not meant to just be housed like this. So I definitely want to go ahead and keep it and use it. And I like that it has a case and all that stuff. We're going to be going on a trip soon, so I really like the idea of having this, knowing that it'll be well protected. I'm not sure what kind of battery it uses yet. It says DC here, but I don't know if maybe that's just to plug it in at home. So let's go ahead and check this thing out together, you guys. I'm really, really excited about this thing. I don't think I even need scissors because it looks like some of the plastic was already starting to rip down here. So let's go and do a quick montage of opening this. Ow. Move it off to the side so we can really check this thing out. All right, yeah, this is a cool remote. So you got your play, your forward and back, and your volume, which is really, really cool. I wonder what you can clip this onto. I'm sure there's a battery in there too, which I'll need to see if I still have any. And then let's go ahead and take a look in here. This product is designed to fit bikes with standard water bottle mounts. I don't have a bike, so we're not going to be attaching it to no bike. This is just for moi to have it on the go. Wow, yeah, everything is still okay. So it comes with that. I wonder if that's a charger or if this is for just power. Man, brand new. Look at this thing. Whew, that is really cool. 5 GB iPod with a video, or iPod Nano problems. Huh, I wonder what that means. I wonder if you can even call that number anymore. All right, moving the instructions to the side. This looks like it is, what is that? I'm guessing this is where the iPod is housed. Looks like it. But what is this? Got some more stuff here. I'm guessing this is for the bike. Yeah, it looks like a strap, which I don't think we're gonna need. And then this cool little carrying case, which is awesome, to keep the speaker in. That's really cool. I love that all this stuff is brand new. Yeah, so it's just a little housing for the speaker. Awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at the main event here. Wow, okay, this thing feels kind of like a thermos. Let's go ahead and open her up. Okay. All right, so that's that. All right. This thing is intense. I'm guessing it is rechargeable. Yeah, I just don't know how. Okay. I'm going to pause this real quick to look at the instructions. Okay, guys, so quick little stop there to check this out. Apparently, you just twist this top part off like this. And here you have the housing. And apparently, these are for different size iPods, like the Nanos. So I immediately was like, yeah, my iPod video is not going to fit inside these just because it's so much bigger. So I think you're just supposed to fit the iPod video in like that because that's where the outlet thing is, and I think you cover it with this or not. I don't think you use this at all for it. I don't know what this thing is for. I really don't. But yeah, I think you just put in the iPod just like that, and then you cover it up like so, and the iPod's supposed to stay in there, ideally. But yeah, this thing uses batteries. It says it uses 4 AA batteries, or you can have it plugged in to power, but it is not a rechargeable unit, so you do need batteries for it. So yeah, I'm going to, oh, right here. Okay, so let's get 4 AA batteries. Okay, so I got my 4 batteries here. Thank you, Amazon. And it says that the little remote should have some batteries installed, but given the age, I highly doubt that they're still good, so might have to put in some new batteries for that. I can't see. Okay. So I don't know if we're ever going to be able to control this right now. I don't know how long those batteries should last, but we'll find out. We'll find out together. Okay, so batteries are in. Here, let's just have the iPod already playing some music. Hook it up. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's already playing. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah, this is probably dead. Okay. Cool. So it just comes out from the top up here. Nowhere else. No, you can't really hook up the remote there. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it totally works, which is really cool. As for the remote, I don't have any CR2032 batteries on me at the moment, so I won't be able to really do anything else with this. Let's see. Maybe we'll see this here. Battery. Oh, I see. That's to try and get to the batteries. Yeah, no. Okay, well, that's this portable speaker, which I think is really cool. Like I said, I don't ever plan on actually using it with this kind of bike mount thing. It's cool that it's there, but I'll just likely never use it for that. But yeah, it keeps it nice and protected. I guess if you want to mount it to something else. And then just take it with you on the go, which is really cool. I'm really happy still with this. Like I said, I'll need to check the remote. I'm sure the remote will work once I get the batteries for it, which I just don't have any on me at the moment, at least not that I can recall. But yeah, just goes in here, which will be perfect for travel because it is nice and portable. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so there it is, the iHome to go with its carrying case, which is really, really cool. This is awesome. I actually really like this a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.